Hello everybody, welcome to a new video. My head's kind of cut out, that's fine. Quite honestly, that's fine. Today you can see the computer and not my ugliness. So, what are we doing today? This computer does work, but this case is complete shit. And I have a computer that doesn't work, but the case is decent, so we're gonna swap them around. I have a lot of time to work on this today, so I figured I'd get started by disassembling this one. And getting that all done. Then I'll disassemble the other one, and then probably Wednesday I'll record Minecraft. Thursday we'll assemble all back into the other board, the other case. Well, as I will do another video about changing the thermal paste on this board. So, that all being said, go ahead and start assembling this. It is very old, obviously, as you can see, but it still works. It's useful for videos that I want to do to make it work. So, first thing I want to do is get all the small stuff out of the way, the hard drives and stuff. So, you get those hard drives out, and go ahead and help you guys done. Maybe a funny angle, I'm using a different way today. As opposed to the camera, not the one for the camera. And its wire's kind of short, that's all I have. So I got the camera close to my bed. So see if I can see on the ground, on my bed rather, and make the wire reach. So what we're gonna do is go ahead and unplug the IDE cable. You see this on your computer, you know it is old. Especially these two. They're called Moss power cables. These always give it a power supply or device you can power. It goes 100% straight in. Pull on tabs and pull on the drives. So in case the drive keeps me and stupid. Since they get stuck a lot, it's really irritating. I think it's in right. No, it wasn't. I'm not forcing it the only way out. Then go ahead and disconnect the DVD drive. Only IDE DVD drive actually. And it's IDE, I don't know what I'll call it, like the drive swapper, I guess. I'm gonna give you one later on. Right now, I haven't really tested it out. It works. But I think we're gonna put this IDE cable. Don't need it. Both are unplugged. So go remove those. What is this? Alright, nice hard. And then remove the screw from this thing. This case is really cheaply made. That's junk that I had to break the case to get the screw in there. It's really annoying to do. Yeah, just do what I'm doing. Yeah, sort of. Yeah. Alright, so I'm good. And take this out. Alright. I'm going to the front of the case here. Go ahead and take the, I'm going to take the set off, or the front off rather. Maybe. Oops, make water. That bottom did not want to give out. Alright. Pull off. Out of the way. You guys knock it out. Oops. No. Oh. Yeah, put on the inside. Okay. Fire I just see RAM only drive. Not sure that was not. My only IDD drive. So I just don't want this. Just. Probably in stone. Yeah. I think I have the key over there. You can open that up and put a hard drive. Alright. So now I have the drive out of the way. Come back to it. And we'll see here. We have to unplug the motherboard power cable. You can zoom in on that. That's behind her. Alright. I'm a little bit stubborn. As you have seen the Resistance Building Computer Videos series, that black AMD is not a 2 case. That's what we're going to use in this video. Probably then. And get those, remember? I bought a Corsair 450 or CM450X, something like that. We're going to use that power supply. So this old one, because from, oh, let's see here. You know what? It doesn't say. We're going to use that instead of this power supply. Yeah, and so it's so old that it has not only the power input, but also has the power out jack, which I would not use. I think it's so old. But for the occasion of a power supply removal, I brought the good old Acer. I have no plan on these power supply anymore. So I'm just gonna kind of not care about it. Do the corner first. Alright. And then do one last screw. You guys see how that's done? What I'm gonna do is turn the computer around. I guess you have a power supply. And I'm gonna do underneath it. And remove the screw. Now loose. Just slide it back. And out comes the power supply. This one is to no longer be used. There's just no electronics in there. All good. So I'll go down and see if I'm done with it. As I have no plans on reusing it. At least with the motherboard. And this keyboard that I'll use on the front. So what I'm gonna do is try to move you guys up front of the computer. I'm gonna do that part. Alright. Now I'm gonna move the part. So what I'm gonna do. Hopefully it's good. In case we're done before it handles the PCIe stuff. But pop that open. And this, honestly, I'm not gonna put it back in. Just to use your 4 card, which could give honestly too less shit, so got it here. The fan will go probably go in your case. I see a way to remove the fan using the motherboard out, so we'll do that. I can tell it's either cheaper made. So you know what? I don't give a shit to reuse it, but I'll keep it in case I need it. How's that thing? Hold on. Oh, I screwed. Duh. Alright, you're supposed to screw those. Grab real quick. I was planning on taking this out, but easier, hey. Let's do it. So I just look at my hand, it's kind of bloody from earlier. I washed it off and it just kind of gets a little more bloody. But well. That's what happens when you I'm trying to do something. Okay. That bottom part's still holding on. There it goes. Okay, it's dusty. Well, I'm done. You got the effect of it hurting with the graphics card. I'm just leaving taking it and pull it up on it. We'll go ahead and cheat and look on the VGA for a bit. It's like the AGP graphics card. Very old technology there. I'll preserve this stuff because it's gonna get rare soon. See, I got using a different mic because I can walk away. You really know the difference. Alright, cool. That leaves us with the motherboard to remove. So, you guys, let's see all the screws I can find. These are some weird looking screws. Are they really even screws? Yeah, they are. All these cables on the board. What remains of them? Alright. Alright, these screws are not wanting to come out. These things are fucking weird. And they're not wanting to come undone. Alright. Wait, what the hell? Hold on. Like, weird handle over here. It's like, I took the motherboard out with it. You guys see this green handle? Oh god, don't kiss the motherboard. Wait, doesn't do that. Wait, what comes out? I don't know what kind of case this is now. We'll figure out how to move it. There's a tray underneath it though. What the heck? There's something else I'm missing here. Aha! There we go. Motherboard out. What weird ass screw though. So my question is this. Is it not a custom built computer? And the board is stuck to this plate? Or what? Looks to me like you may not be able to take it off. And I don't think the plate was designed for the board. This may not work. The whole thing may not be even a custom computer. Or get pre-built. Assumed it was all pre-built, or all custom built. You guys know it. I will say, props to whoever made this. Your case sucks, but I like that feature of it. I will say that. That being said, I'm gonna call it quits for today. Because that's the time I had to go and drive around a bit. So I like to play Saturday. And yeah, that's me guys. Take it easy. I'll till later on. I'm not done yet. See you guys. Let's go. Alright guys, back with the TechSavvvvy computer review. The miserable failure that it is. And now we're gonna go ahead and rip it apart as well. And reuse this case for it. I was using the power supply mentioned earlier in the video. I said the name right now. CX450M. I added this. The last part recorded yesterday last night. Yeah, I'm only going to do the thing apart because I don't have a whole lot of time once again. But I had something to not do it, and I'm like, you know what, I need to get this shit done. I've been on time as it is. So, here we are, we're going to get it done now. So, thing is blocked. Yep, it is. Why? To be honest, I just don't know. Alright, so anyway, it's in the hard drive, my CD drives. CD drives are easy to report. We go ahead and grab the power supply first. Once again, using the Shure. Power supply right now still works, it's older, but I can tell. I said I'm using the Corsair one, this side. Still, I'm taking it out. Where is that damn screw? Here it is. I just need to realize how quiet the drill was. This is my phone. It is pretty loud. I'm using recording stuff and running this thing. Alright. That was nice running one because this is the same thing last time, sort of. What I started doing on this one, I do know. I put it in there this time. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys. Okay. Master. Up on PSU. And down goes the screw. But first, you get the glass out. Just get around. And I forgot to put them over. Yeah, I just have to put them smart ass. Alright, let's go ahead. Give me more cable. use the motherboard. And the 8-pin TB. Now we're free. Alright, I can do it now. Something. Alright, so now, yes, there's the motherboard. So you keep everything around again. I'll be back. Alright, yeah, the motherboard. I was watching the cord, so it's falling off, so I didn't even know what. I broke it when I put it in here, and I didn't know what I was doing, so I'll take it off. Also, all these screws are completely wrong, so. My other custom computer building, the brand new one. And see if I can reuse those. I was using those extra ones. I'm gonna pop the board out. The board's long dead, I'm pretty sure. So, I'm not gonna worry about too much part of ESD goes. And then we're gonna try to get the other board out with the tray tomorrow. I am very short on time for this video. We're gonna have one more planned. Record probably Friday. Yeah, over the weekend. And then I edit this one probably as I go. And get all this done before it's needed. So, yeah. This build never worked. I gotta push it through. Oh, this is that one. And it never plays, I think both motherboards I was doing were bad. So in the original boxes, I had no fucking clue. It was dumb and annoying, but you know what? Fuck it, whatever. Software is like it really good, but it's the one I was trying to see. But you guys are not for me. So, yeah, it's a shame their work, but you know what? It was a difficult learning experience to figure out. Hold on, I do plan on maybe revisiting this, but for now, why? I have to play more. I can't play through sooner. I have play more computers to use, and it's like, why bother? Pushing this thing. You know what I mean? So, I'll use what I can. And we will, go from there. Alright. I'm going to power switch to the port in. I think I problems so. How am I supposed to know better at this thing? I could do. I don't do like changing the thermal paste on the other board. I could do that first. I'll see you guys next week. And get this thing done. See you guys later on. I can do that tomorrow, not tomorrow. Thursday, Friday. For the other video, I'm taking a whole minute to do. That's all screen capture. And that was the end of that video. Alright. So I pop the board out or not? That was easy. Alright, cool. The board is free. And dead. So, it's easy, probably works. Fine. And the RAM. Not sure the other stick went out too though. It's kinda odd. But now for the fun part of the IO challenge. You all watch how difficult it is to take this thing out. It's really hard to get this thing out. Watch. Man, that was hard. It took forever to get that thing out. I got to record that part though. You know what? Don't put it apart. Fuck it. I'm not showing it. So, that's how I think I should. And no harm done to be showed. So I did that was done anyway, so don't give a flying fuck. Okay, so I'm gonna finish up. I'll do the 2050 tomorrow with the other board. And I will come back to you guys probably next week. I'm gonna do like Sunday if I get a chance. I'll be home Sunday. Damn. Shit, I can't stream now. I was gonna stream tonight, motherfucker. I got to sit on dinner on Sunday. Yeah, we gone with the day. I will not be up for food. I probably had it all like, damn. Maybe next Tuesday I can stream. Oh well. I hope you guys enjoyed this part of the video. The next part will be me putting audio in the black case. Alright, you guys, so kind of freaking here. That'll be it for part 1 of the video. Part 2, I'll have the mother out of the tray rather, put in the other case, put in a new power supply, well, new. And hopefully upgrade the hard drive, and then we will hope that it lives again. Alright, well listen you guys. Take it easy.